ಸೊ ಇನಿ ಪೂರಗ್ಲೆಗ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತುಂಡು ನಮ್ಮ ಭೂಮಿ ಪೂಜೆ ಆಫ್ ಸಾಯಿರಾಧ ನಿತ್ಯಧಾಮ್ ಫೇಸ್ 2 ಪನ್ಪಿನ ನಮ್ಮ 24th ಐಕಾನಿಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಇನಿಕ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು 24th ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಪುಂಡು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಐ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಡೈಸ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಜಾಯ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್. This is one of our special moments because this is the return of the younger generation coming into action now. So this is actually a blessing from our MD as well as all my elders here. Of course, enkalna leaders bank is also there. Sir na support phase 1 id mast ittu nana barpina projects illarna sir na support undu as well as our bank also, Bank of Baroda. So thank you for supporting us with this particular project as well as namma battina pura friends and family. Thank you for joining here, and of course Sairada family, without you all nothing is incomplete here. So thank you once again. So I request our Jayakar sir to express 2 words of gratitude towards our company.
ಸ್ಥಳ ಸಾನ್ನಿಧ್ಯದ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಪ್ರಾಣ ದೇವರನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಲ್ತೊಂದು ವಿಶೇಷವಾದ ನಿತ್ಯಧಾಮ್ ಫೇಸ್ 2ದ ಇನಿ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ಬೈದಿನ ಮಾತಾ ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಗಣ್ಯರ್ನಗಲೆ ಇನಿ ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಅವಿಭಜಿತ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಡು ಒಂಜಿ ವಸತಿ ವಾಣಿಜ್ಯ ಸಂಕೀರ್ಣೋಡು ಮಲ್ಲ ಒಂಜಿ ಪುದರುಪುನ ಜನಕಲ್ನ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಮೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆದ ಒಂಜಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಸಾಯಿರಾದ ಡೆವಲಪರ್ಸ್ ಬೊಕ ಸಾಯಿರಾದ ಸಮೂಹ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಒಂಜಿ ನಾಗರಿಕನಾದಿ ಅನ್ನು ವಿಶೇಷವಾದ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆ ಕೊರೊಂದು ಇನಿ ಅನ್ನ ಸುಪುತ್ರೆ ದೇಪಂಡ ಮನೋರಣ್ಯ ಆಪಲ ಪಂಪಿನಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಜನ್ರೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಕೊರ್ದು ಯಾನು ಪೂರ ಏನಂತ ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ದೇತುಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಪಂಡ ಅಂಚ ಅರ್ನ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನಿತ್ಯಧಾಮ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಇನಿ ದೇವರನ್ನ ಅನುಗ್ರಹೋಡು ಮಾತಾ ಹಿರಿಯರ್ನ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದೋಡು ಇನಿ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ಆಂಡ್ ಐನಾತ್ ಬೇಗ ಒಂಜಿ ಎಡ್ಡೆ ವಸತಿ ಸಮುಚ್ಚಯ ಕಟ್ಟಡ ಮುಲ್ಪ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡು ಅಂಚನೆ ಜನಕುಲು ತಂಕಲೆ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಸಾಮೀಪ್ಯ ಒಪ್ಪನ ದೇಪಂಡ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಸಾನ್ನಿಧ್ಯದ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಸಾಮೀಪ್ಯಪ್ಪನ ಈ ವಸತಿ ಸಮುಚ್ಚಯಡು ತಂಕಲೆ ಬೊಡಾಯಿನ ಒಂಜಿ ಇಲ್ಲನ ಫ್ಲ್ಯಾಟನ್ನು ಖರೀದಿ ಮಲ್ತದು ಐನತ್ತಿ ಬೇಗ ಮಾರಾಟ ಅದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಜುಬ್ಲಿ 25th ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅವಳ ಐನಾತ್ ಬೇಗ ಎಂಕಲ್ ಮಾತಾ ತೂಪಿ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಪಂಡದು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭಡು ಶುಭ ಹಾರೈಸೋದು ಸಂದರ್ಭ.
Actually, after my reporting here, I have met my Sairada group because sir and the team, actually I am always proud of having such a group with us, magging with us. And this is the first time I got the opportunity to participate in one of the Bhumi Pujas, and again literally I am proud to have the finance of that project also. And I pray Almighty that whatever projects they have taking up, and more particularly this project, let it happen on the right time, and they were able to complete it rightly and in the timely manner, and so that they can come up with so more projects so that we can also support. And because again, when sir is always telling we are supporting, it is not like that. It is always Saida, the team is supporting us with all the projects. So let this also be a win-win situation for both of us, and we are also hoping for supporting our group further more ahead, and I am also hoping for the group to come up further more over there in Udupi. Let the fame of Sairada group come up further more over there. So wishing you best wishes, sir, and for the Sairada group and as well as for the sir.
Morning all. Actually, for a father and mother, the success lays in the upbringing of the son, and both these children are they have shared the verticals beautifully, and they have taken it up without any hiccups. And I think the father and mother should be really proud to have such children. So, and you can see the success today. This is a testimony of their well-being, and the group as such, you don't need any introduction. In Udupi, Sairada is one of the synonymous words that we see right from the airport when we drive. We see this group, and I wish you all the very best, sir.
So, namaste to all of you all. Praying the Lord Krishna, Mukhya Prana, from this place, it belongs to him. So taking the permission of his and doing all the work what we have done, such as the other works also we have done. It was Gokuldam, Yashodam, and this is Nityadam, and this is phase 2. And one more, the 25th, as he said, like silver, this one has been sponsored by him only. That is Sairada Samriddhi. And one more project is coming, is the name of Sairada Sundardham. So this is a continuous process of this Nityadam. The next to that, one more property we are having, it is the name of in Sairada Sundardham. And Sairada Samriddhi has been sponsored by the bank, Badagubettu Cooperative Bank has done it like. So within maybe next month, it will be launching there also. So thanks for your support, what you have given. And the Bank of Baroda stood us from a long time. It has been with us for all the projects. For the farmer, they have supported in a very big way. So TVS also is in a big way, they have done it like. So really, the support what you have given, and like it from the so many years you've been there, and it is the continuous support you've been doing for us. Like, thanks for the support, and that's the point where we grow also. So maybe I may be handing it over to my sons, but simultaneously you people are also supporting. That is also a great work from your side also. So thank you for that also, I'm saying. And my Jayakaran always he stood with my children, with children with all the time. So thank you. Thank you all. Okay, thank you.
Sir, for your extended support. Always we request you to be with us, both me and my brother, as well as with our family, as well as Bank of Baroda also. Thank you for being here. And of course, the people here, Sairada, Nityadam, the here, Dumbu the residents uller, akalna blessings, akalna Ashirwada, namagu undu posa project korpi lekka tu anodu anchene. Sorry, I missed my grandmother here. ಸೊ ಆರ್ನಲ್ಲ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಬೋರ್ಡು ಅಂಚನೆ ಇನಿ ಈತು ಶೋಕುಡು ಪೂಜೆ ಮಂದಿನ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಟ್ರುಲ್ಲೇರು ಸೊ ಬಲ್ಲಾಲ್ ಭಟ್ರುಲ್ಲೇರು ಸೊ ಇರ್ನಲ್ಲ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೊಂದು ಆರ್ನ ಪಪ್ಪಡ್ ದಿಂಚ ನಮಗಾರು ಏಪಗ್ಲ ಯಾನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿತ್ತೆ ಸೊ ಅದಗಡ್ ಆರ್ನ ಪಪ್ಪ ನಮಗೆ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಂತು ಅಂತಾರೆ ಇತ್ತೆ ಇನಿ ಆರ್ನ ಮಗೆ ಉಲ್ಲೇರು ಸೊ ನಿಗುಲ್ 2 ಜನಲ್ಲ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೊಂದು ಅಂಚನೆ ಬೈದಿನ ಪೂರ ಗಣ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಪನೊಂದು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್.